Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we have had plenty of water around here in the form of both snow and rain, and right now we are getting the rain. Let's take a look at the latest series of satellite pictures. You can see we have some drizzle and showers pushing right over the top of us right now, but notice that stripe of green and blue. That's our main front. This arrives later on this evening around 6 or 7 o'clock. We'll talk about this coming up in just a few minutes. We'll get rain from this, not the snow. Temperatures will be too mild, so we do get a break from the white stuff for today. Let's talk about visibility. It's very poor out there, especially at the coast. This is a look from our Newport Harbor camera. You can see Fort Adams barely in the distance. This was several hours ago. Watch what happens as I advance the time lapse. Fort Adams just kind of disappears into the fog. In fact, that's what we're seeing across a lot of the coast right now. Visibility's not very impressive. 0 in Newport, as we just clearly showed you, 1/3 of a mile in New Bedford, 1/3 of a mile in Westerly, and Block Island right now is seeing 0 visibility. So a wet evening commute is on the way. Right now we're getting the light to moderate stuff, drizzle throughout most of the afternoon, but some heavier showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm possible between about 5 and 8 o'clock this evening. So some big puddles possible. You combine that with the snow melt. We are looking at least the possibility of some minor street flooding for the evening commute. More melting on the way for tomorrow. That's the good news. We'll get some brisk winds, but temperatures in the mid-40s with some sunshine. On a bad way to start the weekend. In terms of seeing the next chance of snow, we have several chances showing up. A lighter potential snow event Sunday night, and then Tuesday into Wednesday, especially on Wednesday. That could be something more significant, but way too early to talk about accumulations and make the call on that. It does look like we'll be cold enough for snow next week. Temperatures will start to plunge again, so enjoy these milder temperatures while we have them, even if we're getting them in not so nice conditions outside. You can see Capital City seeing the wet blanket of snow, the rain coming down on top of that snow. 36 in Gloucester, 37 Smithfield, 40 in Newport, 40 in Fall River, and already getting close to 40 degrees here in Westerly. So pretty much everybody makes the 40s, mid-40s as we go throughout the afternoon. Again, the showers continuing here, especially in northern Rhode Island. We can actually go hour by hour and track the showers. So again, it's drizzle and showers off and on throughout most of the afternoon. But watch what happens right around 5 o'clock, the time of the evening commute. Notice the stripe of yellow and green moving through. Now, if we do get the heavier showers, even a thunderstorm, it won't last very long, but some brief heavier showers are possible. That possibility still exists at around 7 o'clock. This is right around the time when the front is moving through or right before it. After that, we clear things out quickly. You can see skies will clear for Saturday morning. So again, we're giving the yellow light for the evening commute. You may want to allow for some extra time on that. This afternoon, temperatures low to mid-40s, so we're not too much worried about any freezing on the roadways, as temperatures will be above freezing for at least the early part of this evening. But watch what happens to the temperatures as we go overnight. First, I'm stopping this at around 10 o'clock. Actually, we just went past 10 o'clock this morning. We're going into 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice, especially north and west of Providence, we go just below freezing. So tomorrow morning, we could get some of the refreezing of the moisture on the road. So just be mindful of that if you're out and about for Saturday. And then again, Saturday afternoon, not too bad at 47 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. Quite breezy, though. Sunday night to Monday morning, a mix of rain and snow. That does not look like a big event. Perhaps a dusting, maybe an inch. We'll keep you updated on that. Potentially more significant weather would be Tuesday night into Wednesday with potentially accumulating snow. But again, we don't want to get all riled up about those accumulations just yet. Hopefully we can make that one into a miss, because temperatures will certainly be cold enough for snow. So if you have gotten used to the milder temperatures today, we do plunge right back down to the cold stuff.
All right, Pete, thank you. And now a quick look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News.